So I killed like a lot of this. Oh, what the? I kinda got too much. Oh no! No! No, bang it. Putik. I'm trying to trap them. I'm hoping that no one sees me, okay? Okay, I'm scared. You know, I'm gonna die. I'm crying. Okay, I'm scared if this is gonna work. Okay. Oh,
Anong ginawa mo? So hindi ka makakasagot bukas.
I think magbabasa. This place. Oh, you can't be getting my place, huh? You ugly alien. Haha, ugly alien. I'm gonna try. Okay, let's go. Oh. Uh-oh, you. Quit! Oh. I'm gonna quickly do this first. Oh. I'm gonna try to do this. I am hoping that nobody sees me. That's my chance. Oh. That's actually great. Hey, give me more money. More. Ping it. Give me more time. More time. Give me. No. Am I gonna make it? No. Continue. I need more. No.
So hindi ka na
Okay. We got more seconds. I need more. This. More. Gimme. Oh, okay. Yay! That was a luck. They didn't see me. Okay, at least. Thank you. Classic. Tap. Oh, no, I don't like hippo. Not now. Ew. What kind of a hippo? Hippopotamus. I don't understand. America here. Okay. No, bro, stop giving me gifts. Donut. Stop giving me. Stop. Unicorn. I'm gonna use the unicorn. What is that? Ew, no. Unicorn. Yes. I wanna use profile. Hee. Poto. Is it okay? Wait, why am I? Okay, I'm done. Nala, my name's Nala now. I'm a unicorn. Pink, fluffy unicorns dancing in rainbows. Frick, you can't. I just started and they're trying to kill me. Psychopaths. That's scary. Oh, what the heck? You can't kill me. Oh no. Pink, fluffy unicorns. Fluffy, because I'm fluffy. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. Again. Hiya! You can't kill me. Psychos. I'm trying. Scuffy, shut up. You're crazy. Thank you. Double kill. I mean, 4 kill. I like trying to do this on my own, and I'm actually doing lots of progress. I'm scared. Oh, anime. I'm winning right now. I am a winner. How dare you, freaks. Hippopotamus. There's so many smalls. Okay, like, what the heck am I actually doing? Am I doing this? Oh, doing this for free. $100,000. Oh, no. no, pinatay ako. Pinatay ako. Pinatay ako. Wow. Lucky mo, pinatay mo na ako. Okay ka lang? Okay ka lang, be? Tagalog version. Tagalog version. I am back. Scrubby dub dub. I'm so sorry. Sorry if I really did that bad. I'm so small. The only one small right now. Okay. I'm gonna steal one of yours. Maybe some of mine. I'm scared. I'm scared. Eat your cookies. I will eat your cookies. Oh. Did bro really killed bro? I'm so small. I'm gonna get you. I'm just a cute little unicorn, that's all. At least I don't die, because from that one day, I died really quickly. Oh, cookies. Can I have some of your cookies? Minecraft cookie. Okay. Okay, the black one is really big. Oh. Okay. Bye-bye. See you next time to the next times. I'm sorry. Oh, he died. That's okay. Oh, okay. I'm trying to do this. I am almost there, but I'm so small that everyone's trying to kill each other. Like, what the heck? How dare you? I'm just gonna get some of the aliens. Okay. Nobody's looking yet, so that's a great idea. Okay, let's go here. Oh, cookie. I'm gonna get the Minecraft cookie. Minecraft cookies. Cookies. What the heck? I was almost there. No. Tagalog version. Oh my god, ano ba to? Oh, takot na ako. Malapit na mamatay. If I couldn't have used my brain, that some of you guys, where did the alien guy go? Like, did he die or stuff? I'm gonna try it. Oh my god, I'm gonna try. Oh, I almost died. I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna go to your land. I'm gonna be stealing your land today. I'm battling for space. No, I'm getting more. Oh, don't you dare. If you go here, I'm gonna kick your ass. No. Your butt. You think you can stop me, huh? How you can stop me? Hiya. See, got that. Haha. Okay, like I'm like the biggest one, I think, now. Oh no, I need more cupcakes. The cupcakes in your tips. The cake that you eat in the... Oh, you wanna come? Oh, don't you dare. Haha, I'm getting more of your space. Are you mad? Oh, you must be mad. Oh, I feel so bad. If you go to mine, I'm gonna kick you. Hey. This is mine now. Right? Okay, na-revive ako kasi pinatay ako. Pinatay ako. Wait, nasaan na yung cookie? Cookie sandwich. I am like almost there. He doesn't know where he's going right now. Saan ka na, be? Saan ka na? Mumu ka na nga eh. Wala na akong makita. Ha? Putik neto. Ha? mamatay ako, papatayin din kita. Don't worry, papatayin kita. Ikaw naman papatayin ko. Okay, donut na lang. Yummy. Yummy donut. Sarap. Yummy. Salamat sa Diyos. Ay, wait lang. Ano yan? Oh, that was magic. Wow, ganda. Uy, sa akin na lang! Uy, ito, pengi. Haha, deserve, yarn. Ito. Uy, ibon ako. Uy, anong pangalan niya? Ano? Patay na siya, aray ko. Pasi, pita, boing. Takot na ako. Ang konti. Damot nyo. Ay, baka mamamatay na ako. Pasi, pita, boing. Uy, putik nito. Nanganguha ng pagkain. Huwag ka manguha, ha? Papatay. Sasak. Joke lang. Di totoo. Hala, mamatay na tayo. Iiyak na kayo kasi namatay na kayo. Aray ko, wala akong pakialam. Aray ko, mama mo. Aray, may mo. Ano? Saan na ba yung itong green neto? May lang ba yung green? Yung green neto, wala mahanap. Diyan lang siya sa mumo. Mumo lang si green. Mumo lang si green. Kakatakot to. Ano ba to? Banana salad. Ito. Ay, bilis. Ito, bilisan natin. Kasi baka mamatay tayo. Ito, Tagalog version. May tao ba dito? No! Baliw nito. Wow. Ito, dito ang tingin. Uy, huwag ka nangunguha ah. Nangunguha nito eh. Kakabaliw to eh. I'm gonna steal you. Ay, putik. Ang dami. Sino to ba nangunguha? Nangunguha to eh. Pioneer Place. Wala ka naman mahanap eh. Dami naman. Dito naman tayo. Ikaw naman papatayin ko. Kala mo namamatay na ako ha? Kala mo namatay na ako ha? Hahanapin kita. Sige. Oh, ano? Oh, kala mo mamatay ako ha? Kala mo namatay na ako ha? Nakakatakot to. Parang mumo. Antayin ko muna siya. Lagay mo na ako maliit. Ito. Kakabaliw to. Putik! Hala, pinatay ako. Baliw ka. Mamaya, papatayin din kita. Sige, gusto mo, papatayin kita. Sige, yan ang alam mo. Alam mo lang, patay na. Ikaw naman papatayin ko, ha? Miss ka. Wag na ako mag-Shopee. Wag ako nabibili. Thank you. Malapit na ako tapos na pala ako. May gift ba ako? Yan lang. Damot mo? Gusto ko sa maliit. Uy, damot. Kainin natin ito. Konti naman na ito eh. Oh, ang liit. Aray ko man. Oh! Kala mo, mamatay na ako ha. Alam ko yung ginagawa nyo. Huh? Wow, dami. Pinatay ko na siya. Hoy! 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 Ano? Nag-charge ba siya cellphone ko? Tell me in the comments. Oh! Pinatay niyo ako kung pinatay mo. Ha? Bakit ako? Hanapin mo yung sarili mo! Hanapin mo yung sarili mo, purple girl. Mamaya namatay ka na. What sabi ko lang yun? Tinan ko, huy, putik neto. Kakainis. Ay, ito alien. Ito, dito. Ayan. Ayan, ginawa ko. Papatay mo ko. Wala akong kwenta. Wala akong kwenta sa buhay mo. Wala, hindi ko naman. Sige, papatayin kita, Cookie. Ikaw si Ellie? Anong klase pangalan yan? Pangit. Pangit ng pangit. Uy, nakakaroon na siya. Uy, ano to? Putik. Bakit pinatay mo ako? Wala akong ginawa sa'yo. Sige na nga. Long kasi yung video nito kasi kukuha madami akong pera. Joke lang. Thank you. Oh, putik. You can't do this to me. I will kill you all. Ano to? Ano to? Bago na to? Alagang aso. Boom. Hihihihi. Wala na ikaw space. Hala, yarn. Kinakuha. Dito ang tingin. Hala, dito ang tingin. Uy, dito ang tingin. Ano, mamaya namatay na kayo! Okay, ito, mga papatayin ko. Wait lang, tapusin ko muna to. Ang bilis! Bilis, be? Policeman. Oh, ano to, ka-truck? Tractor. Putik ka, pinatay mo na ako ulit. Papatayin kita mamaya. Oh, lapit na tayo. Tapos kukuha na tayo madaming pera. Oh, penge. Iyo ka diri. Ha? Bigyan mo ako maganda. Iyo, kadiri. Babae ako eh. Ito, balik na lang ako dito. Unicorny. Corny, sobrang corny. Uy, papatay mo ko. Kung binatay mo na ako, gusto mo na lang, papatayin kita eh. Ay, ikaw. Go! Ito dito. Ito yan. Ito pwede sa akin, tutulong sa akin. Haha, kulay blue. Kulay blue. Uy, kadiri, kulay green. Ay, sorry naman kung may favorite na color na green. Aray ko, namatay. Malapit na ako maganda. Ang ganda. Ganda mo. Ato, malapit ka na matay. Isusunod panay. Unas mo na umay. Unang na pinatay na kita. Anong kulit mo? Ang kulit nyo. Nangunguha nito. Patay ka na. Okay, happy ka na? Namatay. I'm sorry kung yan lang na lang yung sinasabi ko. Sorry naman. Oh, shovel. I'll call you Shovel. I'll call my friend Shovels. Ito. Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Oh, putik nito. Okay, ito lang. Okay, tapusin muna natin yung ito natin. Ito. Ay, ay, ano to? Ikaw naman papatay ko. Last na ikaw. Ay, putik. Coconut. Tagal mo? Tagal? Okay.